Hey y'all, Fozzie here. Today I'm right outside of beautiful downtown Leavenworth, focusing on deadly motorcycle ride number 3, the Leavenworth Run. This takes you over US 2 through Stevens Pass into the lovely little town of Leavenworth, which is a Bavarian themed town right at the base of the mountains here. Big tourist attraction, lots of people coming to look around, do some shopping, get a lunch. So it's a great ride. A lot of scenic views, runs alongside the river here for a lot of the canyon. The reason why it's deadly, a couple things. One, lots of traffic. I mean, there's lots of people out here all the time. You could probably hear them behind me. Kayakers, bikers, people on RVs, lots of motorcycles, everything's going on. The town draws a lot of people, the ride draws a lot of people. The other thing, probably the condition of the road. Coming up the west side, the road is absolutely terrible. There's potholes, chuck holes, lines in the road, lots of twists and turns, so it gets hairy at points. There's places where the lanes aren't even marked. You're just gonna have to, if you had poor visibility, you'd have to probably guess at where you're driving. It's definitely dangerous if you're coming after dark or in inclement weather. So anyhow, let's get on with the show here, huh? Let's check this ride out. Thanks for watching.